Waves are the agents of coastal erosion. They are affected by the wind, the tides, the fetch, and the shape of the seabed near to the shore. Their effect also depends on how resistant to erosion the shore is and the direction from which they strike. The power of waves can vary hugely depending on the weather, and during storms, massive erosion can take place in a very short space of time. When a wave reaches the shore, it breaks and the water runs up the beach. This is called swash, and its direction depends on the direction of the wave, which in turn depends on the wind. When it has run out of energy, the water returns down the beach as backwash. The direction of backwash depends on gravity. Constructive waves tend to be smaller, low-energy waves with only a weak backwash. As swash is stronger than backwash, they tend to deposit more material on the beach than they wash away. The result is that constructive waves cause the beach to grow as sand or shingle is deposited. Destructive waves are more powerful and usually taller. Because of this, when they break, they tend to fall almost straight down, and there is less swash than you would imagine. The backwash, however, can be very strong, dragging sand and shingle out to sea. Because the backwash is stronger than the swash, destructive waves tend to remove material quicker than it can gather, and the beach is eroded away. Where the swash comes in at an angle, it moves sand and shingle sideways up the beach. The backwash, however, tends to come straight down the beach. When this happens hundreds or thousands of times, sand or shingle can be moved long distances along a beach in what is called longshore drift. People sometimes build groins to prevent longshore drift from moving beach material away. If longshore drift reaches the end of a stretch of coast, for example at a river estuary, the transported material may form a spit of land which can grow and even possibly cut off the river channel. A spit which grows right across a bay is called a bar. Protection from the huge and almost unstoppable power of coastal erosion is expensive and tends to be limited to places which are very important to the people who live nearby. Coastal defences can include sea walls, breakwaters and groins, which reduce the power of waves and also slow down longshore drift.